Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment in the comment section below. And if you are coming back to watch another video, thank you so much. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I created this look. Okay, so if you're interested to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. And what else for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this palette, and I'm gonna go with this brown right here as my transition color. I'm not really sure what kind of look I want to go for today, so I don't know, but we'll see.
Can I tell you what I want? Can I tell you what I need? Can I tell you what I want? Can I tell you what I need?
I'm gonna use this Olivia Beauty Creations palette, and I just want to create a very simple look, no cut crease or anything. So I'm just gonna go with this shade here, right here. Gonna start first by spraying my flat brush so that the color may pop a bit more. Okay. And put the same brown here on my outer corners. So yes guys, I don't really like to do voiceovers, but I think I'm gonna be forced to do a voiceover, like, to finish this video, because the noise outside, like, is unbearable. I'm sure you guys can hear the noise in the background, so I think I'm gonna be forced to do a voiceover to finish the rest of the video, because no choice and andifuni indaba zabantu. Okay, so while I'm waiting for my lashes to dry up, I'm gonna mascarize put mascara on my lashes. And then to prime my face, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild primer. It's a matte primer, so I'm just gonna put that here and just prime my face. Oh, before I forget, I need to I need to conceal the upper part of my brows. I usually forget this all the time, only because I like to prime my brows. Oh, not to prime, English. I like to conceal my brows when I'm about to apply my foundation, because I don't want it to dry out, because it becomes harder to blend. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna conceal the dark spots in my face, like here and here. And now moving on to foundation. So I used this City Girl foundation in the shade Creamy Beige. So I'm just gonna apply that all over my face, and then I use my beauty blender to blend out the foundation, and then I'm adding a little bit more to have more coverage. And yeah, that's what I'm doing there. Oh, and I applied my lashes. Yo, the ghetto. Okay, I don't know what's going on with these lashes, and I ran out of lashes, so I just took any old lashes that I could find, and I really don't know what's going on. But girl, we move. And moving on to highlight, I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal to highlight my face. I used it in the shade Cool Tan, and I mixed it with Creamy Beige. So I just highlight my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my under eyes, as you can see. And to set my highlight, I used the original banana powder. The original, that's the name of the powder, the name of the brand. So I'm just applying that on all the places that I've applied my highlight, to make sure that it sets properly. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right there. And now to contour my face, I used the City Girl foundation. It's the same foundation as I used for my face, but in a different shade. So I used it in the shade Cocoa to contour my face, darling.
Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, tell me louder. If you're loving me.
And then I'm gonna use the Natural Beauty contouring palette from Signature to set my contour. So I'm just gonna apply it on all the places that I applied my liquid contour, and I'm just touching up there my powder to make sure everything is blended to the goods, honey. Now moving on to highlight, I'm gonna start with my bronzer. Like, it's my all-time favorite, my bronzer from Signature, and I'm using that gold shade to highlight my face. And then I'm using my Wet n Wild highlighter. It's the Mega Glow highlighter, and darling, iyapopa. So yeah, that's what I'm doing there. And then now let's move on to the lips, honey. So I'm using a brown pencil. It's the same pencil that I used to draw my eyebrows. So yeah, I'm just outlining my lips and okay, so for my lips, I'm gonna go on with this lipstick. It's a Hunch Beauty matte lip gloss. I hope it's gonna look good because I like it. I like it. Stop it. I like it. Whew. Ta-da-da. Hey. The last step is this one. Just ooh, ooh, ooh. And now moving on to my hair, I'm just gonna twist out those twists that I did last night, and I start by spraying them with water. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, right there. So guys, I had to go and fix my lashes because wow, and hasn't doing the so I just went and fixed my lashes and